Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Until 12:15 a.m. At 10:14 p.m., the public reported a line of thunderstorms producing hail up to the size of quarters and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots moving west to east through Frederick County, Maryland, moving east at 55 knots. This line of thunderstorms will cross the Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. This is an extremely dangerous line of storms with wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.